In this video, I will show you how to set your Spotify song as ringtone. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to jot that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, as you can see, we're here on Spotify. So the first thing you're going to want to do is search for the song that you want to set as your ringtone. So I'm just going to choose this one here. And before we continue, I just want to mention you do need Premium for this, Spotify Premium, as you are going to want to download the song. Now, once you come across to the song, you want to click onto the three dots in the top right hand corner. And first of all, you want to add this to a playlist. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and create a new playlist. It's called Tutorial. And once that's done, I'm just going to come back to the main screen, press onto your library at the bottom. And you can see our tutorial playlist is now set up. So I'm going to press onto this. And here is the song that we're going to be adding. So what you're going to want to do next is download this onto your phone by pressing the download button over here. As mentioned, you do need Spotify Premium for this in order to download it. Now, once you've gone ahead and downloaded that, what you can do is come out of Spotify and then you want to go ahead and open up the settings app on your device. From here, you want to come into your ringtone settings. So if you have got a search icon like I do here, you can go ahead and search for ringtone using the search feature. You can see it's under call settings, so we're just going to press onto this. And on this screen, you can see the option for ringtone here. So what we're going to do is press onto ringtone. Next, what you need to do is press onto the plus icon, which is up in the top right hand corner. And it's going to show all our custom songs, and you can see the one we've downloaded is just here. So what I'm going to do is select this, and once I've selected that, I'm just going to come up and press done in the top right hand corner. Then that's going to set this as my ringtone. So you're going to see if we go back a screen that I have now gone ahead and set my Spotify song that I chose as my ringtone. So that is how to set your Spotify song as ringtone. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.